sound. Bed is hardly shown. Scraped across the phone like they stole it. Know how they hold it. Claire, we nearly forfeit. I'm growing like quickening hills. I'm telling darkness from lines on you. Over havens for a falling swollen Morris, your habitat. Already living alone, where the ass snap in the whole class the norm. Home with savage high. Come, we finally cry. Oh, and we done it because it's right. Claire, eyes too sore for sight. We are sewn up through the latchet grease. On pure keen, sunny green for beat. Same white Pilatos with the Wall Street Santa Stone where she stashed the sand. Oh, they living alone, where the cracks set in the low part of the stone.
Tall white house with an empty room, and your name carved over the door. Facing out to the tallest view from your place on the second floor. Sounded out to an empty house. Was it just like you had before? Savior pulled from an open mouth. Did you want to be something more?